how to connect and pair your AirPods Pro to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on connections, and then tap on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, make sure it is turned on. So tap on the Bluetooth toggle button to turn it on. Then we go down and look for available devices. Now, if your AirPods Pro is not in Discover mode, at the back here there is a round button. You can press and hold on that round button. So open the lid and press on the button until the light starts flashing in orange. Now tap on your phone, tap on the scan button and wait for your AirPods to show in the available devices. So just continue to press and hold on the button at the back until it shows in the list here. Once it is shown in the list, you can tap on it to perform the pairing. And then tap on pair. And that's it. Once it is paired, you can see on the AirPod, it will show a green light. So we can tap on that. It is now pairing. And once it is connected, you can tap on the settings icon. And here you can choose to turn on or turn off calls and audios, and you can choose the audio device type. So you can choose if it's a headphone, speakers, or others. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.